We run the ship. I mean, down here and make the steam that obviously propels the ship. And we also make the steam that generates electricity on board, and the steam is also what creates the water on board. Without what we do down here, no one else does what they do. You know, like, I always tell everyone that's my second favorite thing to do after shutting down. First favorite thing to do is shutting down. Second favorite thing is to light fires. Once you light that fire and you come up, you're bringing everything up. You get 700 on the drum, you come in online. That's rewarding right there, just being like, you know, we did it, we did this, you know. You know, and then after that, it's just watching everything and making sure we're not having any kind of casualties, and if we do, to be able to combat that casualty. I mean, once everything's done, once fires are lit, it's just keep fires lit and answer all bells. The bell is the order from the bridge on how fast we need to go. So they'll send down a bell, and if we need to come up in speed, then we'll need to add more fire to create more steam to go faster. Or vice versa, if we need to go slower, then we'll have to cut burners as necessary. So when you see a ship pull out, meet a warship foe, remember faintly, if you can, the men who sail below.